Hello, hi and namaste to my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine over there. So, today classes is for grade 5. Grade 5, are you ready to learn mathematics or not? I hope you are excited to learning it, right? So, students, we are going to learn about volume and today topic is its volume. So, now you have to tell me, do you have a water tank at your home? Yes, all of we have a water tank at our home. So students, that water tank is full of water, half of the water, or it's empty. If we fill up the water full, then it's full tank, right? If we put half only, we can say it half, and a bit less we can see according to it. So that means in that water tank, water tank is the volume. Can you see? That is the object where that water we fill inside that tank. Okay, how much liter of the water will occupy that space of the tank? That space is known as the volume of that tank. Are you getting me? So, like this way, we are going to learn the volume of regular and irregular objects. Okay, students. So, now we have so many things around us. Can you see it? Can you feel it? And can you touch it? Of course, you can touch it. So, students, you have seen so many things in regular in their shapes, but have you feel that leaves are in regular shape or in irregular shape? Actually, leaves are irregular in shapes. Why? Because we are unable to find its length, breadth and height, right? For this, how to find out the volume? Okay, and next is, have you seen the stone? Have you seen? Okay, can you say me which one will be the length, which one is the breadth and which one is the height? Can you identify it? It's a bit difficult, right? That now to find that objects, how we will get the solution of that object? If we want to find the volume of that irregular objects, then how to find it? Okay, let's have a class on it also. And next is the volume of regular objects. Regular objects mean we can easily measure the length, breadth and height. Can you define the volume now, students? Volume mean the space occupied by any object is called volume. Might be you have already learned in science book as well. So student, in science book especially you are learning volume of irregular objects, that means stones. If you drop that stone in full tank of water, then some amount of water will be flow out, or you can say if it is big in size, so you can put in the tank. Okay, if it is small in size, you can put in your glass as well. So if you put that stone in a glass, in full water of a glass, okay, that some amount of water will fall down. Can you measure that water? And you can take out the volume of that stone inside the water. That is the regular object. So we can find it like this way. But actually for the grade 5, you are going to learn about the volume of regular objects. In the volume of regular objects, we are going to learn about volume of a cube and volume of a cuboid. Okay. So students, let's have a look at this picture of a volume of a cube. Okay, see here. Have you seen a dice at your home? Obviously. Have you seen the gift box at your home? Okay, That means dice and gift box. How many sides they have? How many faces they have? Okay, dice and gift box both have the cube. They are the cube, right? So how they became cube? See, they have altogether 6 faces. We can see all the 6 faces have a square in shape. Okay, you can see over here also all that faces are square in shape. That's why we call it as a cube, because all its length are same. Length also same, breadth also same, and height also same. That's why we call it as a cube. And next picture is about volume of a cuboid. See here, students, have you seen these 2 pictures over here? Obviously, these 2 pictures shows that the length, the breadth and the height, they are the different in their measurements. Okay, and their shape is rectangular. So they also have a 6 faces. Got it? Okay, now we are entering to the main topic, volume of a cube. Let's have a look over here, students. Okay, to draw a cube, first of all, please draw 2 square over here. Okay, now attach that point, corner point with each other like this way. Okay, then after, have you seen? It's a cube. You can write it, it's a cube. And you have to make notice about it. The cube one, this one is its length. Its length, this is the breadth. Its breadth, and this going at upside, we can say it as a height. I have written here, okay. So its length, its breadth and its height. Okay, so to derive the formula of volume of a cube, we have to write it length, breadth and height. Can we write it? Length, breadth and height. But students, listen very carefully, okay? In cubes, right, all sides are equal. That means breadth also equal to the length, height also equal to the length. So mean that's it's a square. Square mean all sides are equal, right? So that means instead of writing breadth and height, we have to write here length. Breadth is equals to the length, so you have to write here length, and height is also equal to the length, so you have to write here also length. So that's mean length, length, length. Write in the short form L into L into L. That means how many times L became now? It's 3 times, right? Please write down, it's a L cube. Done? Okay, that means in cube also there is the breadth also and there is the height also, but breadth and height also equal to the length, so that's why we have to write length, length, length. It's called L cube. Do you understand, students? I hope you understand it very well. So same like here, we have another topic. Okay, it's volume of a cuboid. Let's have a look. Please draw the picture first of all. Same like here, please draw 2 rectangles. I hope you can draw it easily, right, students? Okay, join the corner points like before. Okay, students, let's have a look for the volume of a cuboid. all the sides. It's also have a 6 faces. And see here, actually you have to notice about length, breadth and height. See here, the length L is longer. Can we write it here, L? And here its breadth is shorter. Please write down here B, and height is here. So we can say this is also height, going upside is the height. So that means length is given, breadth is given and height is given. So tell me student, in a rectangle, all the sides will be equal? Obviously not. Opposite sides will be only equal, right? That means opposite side mean length will be equal to the length and breadth is equal to the breadth. Just like that, see your own room. In your room, that's opposite side, longer side is the length, okay, shorter side is the breadth, and going upside, that means it's a pillar side, it's a height. Okay, now see, are they equal? All the sides are equal. The pillar also equal with the length of your room? No. That means length, breadth and the height will be different. If they are different, then we call it as a cuboid. Okay. So we call it as a cuboid. Now let's derive the formula of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid mean its length into breadth into height. So write down here length into breadth into height. So that means L into B into H. Done? Okay, we should not write here L into B into H as a L cube, because in L cube all the sides are equal in their measurement. That's why we used to write L cube, right, in cube. But here all the sides are different to each other. That's why we have to write here L into B into H. Have you got it? Obviously. Okay students, if you understand how to derive the formula of a volume of a cube and cuboid, they are the regular objects. So students, let's enter to the exercise. Okay, so let's begin the first question over here, that which I have shown you before. Volume of a cube. Have you seen the picture of the dice over here? Yes? Okay. Have you seen the picture of a dice? Yes. Let's see that pictures once again and try to get out the solution from that pictures. Okay. Now, there the dice, one side length is 4 centimeter. So students, over here this one dice, one side length is 4 centimeter. Then write down here length is given as a length L is given as a 4 centimeter. Now we have already derived the formula of a volume of a cube, right? Can you say it in a loud voice? Okay, I listen it. That is volume of a cube equals to L cube. So you can easily write here by using formula. Volume of a cube. It's a cube, or we can say volume of a dice equals to L cube. That means 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. It's all together. 4 times is 16. 16 times 4 is 64 centimeter cube. Done. This will be your answer. Cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Okay. Done. Okay, then you have seen the next picture in the same place over there. So that next picture, what is that? What we call for that picture? It's a gift box. We can write it same like this one. Gift box also. For your easiness, we can write it. Length L is given over there. What is the length is given over there? It's 5 meter, right? So I am going to write here 5 meter. So length is given 5 meter. Volume, by using formula, volume of a cube equals to L cube. Same process. Okay. So write here 5 meter into 5 meter into 5 meter. Then it's 5 times 5 is 25. 25 5 times is 125 meter cube, or we can say it as a 125 cubic centimeter. Done? Very good. It's 125 cubic cu meter, or we can write it meter cube at just like at first, or 125 meter cube. This will be your answer. Which you want to prefer, you can prefer it. It's your choice. Okay, now same like this we have to do second question, that is volume of a cuboid. Now tell me students, how to find out the volume of a cuboid? Let's have a look for the next picture. In next picture, have you seen over there? Okay, what is given in this picture? Okay, we can say it as a radio, right? In this radio, have you seen the length, breadth and height? Okay, now suppose in radio, length is given. Length is given how much? It's 25 centimeter. Breadth is given 6 centimeter and height is given 15 centimeter. So by using a formula, what is the formula of volume of a cuboid? So write down it please. Volume of a cuboid equals to length into breadth into height. That means 25 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 15 centimeter, right? So 25 times 6. 25 cm into 6 cm into 15 cm. That means 25 6 times it will be 150. So write down 150 centimeter and centimeter, centimeter square, and again it's multiplied with the 15 centimeter, and after multiplying 150 and with 15 centimeter, it will be 2250 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. 2250 centimeter cube, or we can say is as a cubic centimeter. Okay, just like this. Next is there. What is next is there? It's a roaster. Roasters, see that there, what's the length is given, what's the breadth is given, and what's the height is given over there. Okay, length is given, you can see here, length is given as 12 meter, breadth is given as 2 meter, and height is given as 4 meter. 12 meter, 2 meter and 4 meter. Now By using a formula, volume of a cuboid, you can write it over here. That is 12 meter into 2 meter into 4 meter. That means 12 times 2 is, it's a 24 meter square into 4 meter. It's 96 meter cube. 96 meter cube or 96 cubic meter. This is your answer. Students, like this way, you must need to solve the word problem. In word problem also, some type of questions will be given. Okay, what type of question will be given? Let's have a look. A cubical box is 2 meter long. Cubical box means just like our dice. Okay, cubical box. That means all the sides are square in shape. So, it's given 2 meter long. It's given 2 meter long. Now, you have to find its volume in cubic meter. Then how to find? The solution will be like this. See here, a cubical box one length of a cubical box. You can write length of a equals to given 2 meter, and height also not given, breadth also not given, because it's a cubical box. Already said length also 2 meter, breadth also 2 meter, and height also 2 meter. Now you have to find out the volume. Write down the volume. Write down the volume over here. Volume of a cubical box equals to L into L, that is 2 meter into 2 meter into 2 meter. Can we multiply it? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8 cubical meter, cube meter. Done? Okay, same like this. Next question, but not the least. Last question is there. What is the last question? A book is 24 centimeter long, 80 centimeter broad and 2 centimeter thick. That means length is given as 24 centimeter, breadth is given as 18 centimeter, and thick height is given as 2 centimeters. So can you find out the volume? Now we can write it, volume of a cuboid, because length is given, breadth is given and height is given in the different measurements. So we can write it volume of a cuboid. So volume of a cuboid equals to L into B into H, that is 24 centimeter into 18 centimeter into 2 centimeter. Now can we multiply it? 24 centimeter into 18 centimeter, it's 432 centimeter square. Into 2 centimeter. 432 centimeter square into 2 centimeter square, it will be 864 cubic centimeter. Can we write it like this way? Or CUCM, right? Cubic centimeter. Okay, students. I hope you understand today one topic. Let's read and write. Practice it more and more at your home. Stay safe. Be happy. Thank you for today's class.